Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable right click in Google Chrome browser. Specifically in many websites right click is by default disabled. So you can basically go to Chrome store, simply search for this extension, enable right click for Google Chrome. If you just type this in the search bar, this extension will come. Simply click on that. It's got almost 500,000 installs. I've already installed it, so this icon will appear as you see that once you install this. So you simply go to any website where right click is disabled. So let's suppose this is my website where specifically I disabled right click. So you click on that button. So now as you see, if you click on that, now the right click will be enabled. So you can be able to right click. So this is my website where right click was disabled. You come to the website and you simply click on this button. So now this will be on. So by default, if it is disabled, you click on this Chrome extension, it will enable the right click. And now you can right click. You can see that in any application, if the right click is disabled, you actually install this extension, enable right click for Google Chrome. This is the extension right here. You click on add to Chrome. So once it get installed, you simply go to the website and click on this and enable right click. So this will actually enable the right click. So in this easy way, you can do this very easily on any website. So thank you very much.